knowing the safety hazard, we must find out the remedial measures so that we can minimize the realization of safety hazards. And the knowledge is really important, as we have seen, specifically the process materials, because if you don't know the material safety data sheet, so we do not know the properties, chemical properties of chemical. So hence we may come with the hazardous chemicals. This can convert into accidents. Use of right tools are very important, because if you don't use the right tools at the right time by the right person, so this can also convert into accident. So these are the various methods to improve the process safety culture. If you want to add something here, please feel free to add. So guys, we'll go for the HAZID methodology. I am very sure each of you have attended the HAZID workshop many times, but this is my duty to just explain you the methodology. We are going to follow ADNOC HACRM ST03 to identify all the hazards, and then we will identify all the guide words as per the terms of reference. We will go through each and every guide words, and we will identify whether these guide words are applicable for our project, yes or no. Because in ADNOC there are many guide words are there. For our project is limited to the excavations and refilling of the earth, soil. So most of the guide words may not be applicable. So we will see if these guide words are applicable, then we will deliberate. If this is not applicable, then we will leave those points at that point in time, and then we go for the next guide word. And who will decide the applicability? Entire team, because we are the team. We are going to work in the team. And this is the simple flow chart, how we are going to do it. Never mind, we will go through this process many times, and we will come to know the guide words. We will come to know the causes of the guide words. We will understand the consequences if the guide word realizes. We will understand the consequences if there is some incidents, and we will understand what is the frequency of this event. And we will use the risk matrix of the ADNOC to identify the risk, multiplying by severity versus probability. And then we will identify the existing safeguard. And if you feel that safeguards are enough, then there is no further risk reduction. If you feel that risk is going beyond LR, then we will identify some credible recommendations so that we can bring the risk to the major to LR and LR to the widely acceptable zone. These are the simple steps. So this will be the risk matrix which are going to use. There are various severity level is there, consequence notable to catastrophe, and the likelihood from the rare to most likely. We will see this risk matrix very often in the workshop. If you have any question related to the HAZID methodology or approach, let me know. Now I will request our project team, Mohannath as well as Bimal, to explain the project scope so that everybody in the team, although